Hello, and welcome to Cindy's Corner. Today, boys and girls, we're going to review a fun book. And how many of you have more than two arms? What would you do if you had more? Be thinking about that. So today, our review is going to be on an octopus. If you have this book, go get it so you can review it with us. It's Inky the Octopus. And while they're getting their book, you go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can share Cindy's Corner with your family and friends. And this Inky the Octopus is a level 2-6 book. And here's our title page. The author is Erin Guendelsberger, and the illustrator is David Leonard. What do you think that octopus is going to do with all those arms? Have you drawn an octopus? Okay, check out the drawings. All right, I live in a world of see-through walls in a tank with a locked-down lid. I'm fed up. I'm fed like a king 3 meals a day of lobster, shrimp, and squid. I know I have a good life and should want for nothing more. But something tugs at my curious heart that I simply can't ignore. Looks pretty happy, don't he? Out of this tank, I must be free. I must explore the open sea. I've always liked 8 arm charades, and seaweed hide and seek. I've had fun playing gravel hockey and tentacle tag each week. But I long to see a brand new world of plants and rocks and fish. Discovering things I've never known has become my only wish. Out of this tank, I must break free. I hear the ocean calling me. What is this? Tonight, it seems, my tank lid is ajar. This could be my one chance for change. Dare I hope that far? I tell my tank mate, Blotchy, we should bid our tank adieu. I tell him we'll be happier exploring some place new. Blotchy says he'd rather stay home within his comfy home. He doesn't feel the pull to see the far and great unknown. And so this quest I must take on is one I'll take alone. I'll be a solo traveler when I set off to roam. Out of my tank, I must break free. My heart flies to the open sea. Here I go to top of the tank. I slide one arm outside, The air in the room feels dry and cool. The space feels free and wide. I live through arms 2, 3, and 4. Next, 5, 6, 7, 8. My head is last. And then I'm sliding down the tank's glass plate. The floor feels strange beneath me. Odd noises fill the room. The air smells different from my tank. It's freedom in full bloom. I sneak across the rough wood floor as fast as I can go. My 8 arms latch and then release. My sense of excitement grows. But can I leave my life, my friends, and all I've ever known? My hearts say yes. Today's the day to strike out on my own. There it goes. The sea lies just ahead of me. So in and down I dive. I'm falling fast toward what's to come. I've never felt so alive. I plunge, I swim, I breathe, I whirl, I float, I spin, I glide. I'll follow my heart wherever it leads. I'll travel far and wide. Out of my tank, at last I'm free. Long may I journey the splendid sea. Now, we're going to draw in another episode and octopus. So stay with that. But if you had so many arms, would you disappear? Now, here's a big question for my seniors out there who think they're fixing to go and graduate and go out into the world. And they're going to be all alone and make their own decisions. Yeah. I know I have some former students, and they wish they were back in school under mom and daddy. Maybe you've gotten lost in a store and you kind of ventured out away from mama or daddy, and then they couldn't find you. If you have, tell me if you've been lost away from your parents. But now, tell me, my seniors out there, what is your world waiting for? What are you going to give your world? Maybe you're graduating from 6th grade or 5th grade or kindergarten. What are you going to give back into your world? Will you make your decisions? I can't wait to see some of my shares on this one. And then, what would you do with all of those arms to help you? Okay? Now, remember, share with us. Keep it really good. And tell me at least your first and last name, and where you're from, and so I can give you a special shout out. Okay? First or last name, and a special shout out. If it's a class, give me the class name and where you're listening from, and I'll give you a special shout out. Most important today, give that special somebody a hug and tell them you love them, even if you're graduating. Have a great day.